3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TCO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
To download and access Capcut Pro, follow these simple steps. Open the App Store on your iPhone or the Play Store on your Android device and search for the browser you use, such as Safari or Google Chrome. Update your browser if it isn't up to date, as this ensures compatibility. Once updated, open the browser, go to Google, and search for Capcut Official. Click on the first link that appears, and on the website, tap the 3 links to the left. I was watching the video in seconds by myself. From the menu, select Sign In and log in using an account of your choice, such as Google, Facebook, TikTok, or Capcut Mobile. After signing in, request a desktop version of the site. In Safari, tap the AA icon next to the URL bar and select Request Desktop Website. In Chrome, tap the 3 dots and choose Request Desktop Site. If you don't see the option in Safari, go to your device settings, find Safari, and enable Request Desktop Website. Once on the desktop version, you'll have access to Capcut Pro features, including design creation, video ratio selection, and advanced tools. For further tips on enhancing videos to HDR or 4K, watch the tutorial linked in the end screen.